Hello friends, today we are going to understand the concept of vector geometry and vector geometry. Yeah. Now, for example, question number 1 I'm taking. The shape is given as A, B, and this AB is S, this is R, O, C, and this is your T given. Now, before going on to this, I may just clear you one thing. These are very basic questions, and only vector addition method or subtraction method is applied to these. Okay, going slowly on the first stage. Let's say we have to cover up OB. So we have to find OB. Meaning is that the direction is from O. You can note it down that it is from O to B we have to go. So from O to B when we will go, we will cover up from OA and AB. This way we will reach B. So starting from O, we have reached B, which is B. So OB will be your OB vector will be your R plus S, because R is your OA plus S is your AB. Therefore, we will write R plus S is your OB. This is your final answer. Now comes second part, which says that find the value of CA in terms of RT. CA meaning from C you are going towards A. This way you are going. Okay. So no problem. We will cover up. I'm eliminating the previous parts. Just writing SO here. Okay. Now from C we will go to B, and from B we will go to A. So this we did as question number 1A. Now question number 1B can be written as CA can be written as CB plus BA. To this I can write it as CB can be written as minus T, because this is the opposite direction of CB. BC is given as T, therefore CB will be your minus T, as the vector, or you can say as the direction is reversing. You can say as the direction of the vector reverses, the sign of vector changes. These are the basics that we are supposed to know. So CB will become minus T, and we will use this part. So coming ahead, CA will be your CB plus BA. CB will be your minus T. Similarly, BA will be your minus S. So your final answer will be minus T minus S. This is your CA. This is your final answer. Now we are coming to the next question, OC. OC meaning is this direction. From O to C we are going. So when we will go from O to C. This was your A, this was your B, this was your C. So this was given as RST, R, S and T, and we have to find the value of OC. So we have to go from O to C. So what we will do, we will go from O to A to B and B to C, and we will add all. OC vector can be written as OA plus AB plus BC. OA is your R, AB is your S and BC is your T. So your final answer is R plus S plus T. This is your OC. And that's your final answer. I hope this would have cleared your some of the doubts. Now, coming on to the next question, that is question number 2. So, question number 2 says that the diagram given is AB, this is D, this is A, B, which is P, this is C, this is DC, this is B, this is Q, and this is the line given AC. This is R, this is P. Now they have asked to find the value of AD, in this case AD. From A we have to go towards D. So how can we do that? We can follow the route AB plus BD, AB plus BD. So AB is given as P, BD is given as Q. So our final answer will be AD is equal to P plus Q. That's our final answer for this. Now BC. Next question they are asking to find. This was your question number 2A. This is your B. B is your, they are saying find the value of BC. BC. From B to C we have to go. So what we can do over here is that we can use BD, BD, meaning this direction. I'm removing the prior ones that we have used. BD plus DC. So BD is given as Q and DC is given as R. So BC is your Q plus R, and that is your final answer. Coming on to AC, this is more easy question. Coming on to AC, I'm just removing the previous questions. Signs. Yeah, we have to go for AC. So AC we can achieve by AD plus DC. So AC can be written as AD plus DC. AD we just calculated, it's P plus Q plus DC. DC is your R. So what we can write over here, P plus Q plus R is your AC. So your final answer is AC is equal to P plus Q plus R. That is your final answer for question number 2. I guess everything would be clear to you. Okay. Now, going ahead with further questions. Just because this is a concept, if you do not know, then this becomes very difficult. If you know, then this becomes very easy and marks fetching. Now, coming on to question number 3. Question number 2 is done. Question number 3 we are coming. Question number 3 is given as, this is your OA. This is your AB. This is your M. And M is the midpoint. They are saying AB is Q, this AB vector is Q, and M is the midpoint of AB. Now in terms of P and Q, we have to find the values of, first we have to find the value of A part, which is AM. AM. So how can we solve this part of AM? We can write AM as excuse me, this is Q by 2, this is Q by 2, because M is the midpoint and Q is the whole vector. So AM can be written as Q by 2. MB, no, they are asking OB, sorry, it's a mistake, OB. From O to B we have to go. So O to B we will go OA, then AB. So this can be written as OA plus AB. OA is P and AB is your Q. So OB is your P plus Q. C is your BM. BM, from B to M we have to make the direction. So what we can say, we can go BO plus OM. PO plus OM. PO plus OM. Now, what will this make the sense is that BO we just found is P plus Q. So this was actually OB. So this time the sign will be reversed and this will be minus P plus Q plus OM. OM is nothing but OA plus AM, because you are going from, I'm just drawing for you, OM, this is OA and AM. So this can be written as OA is your P, AM is your Q by 2, minus Q, minus P, minus Q. So this can be written as minus P, minus Q. So P and P gone. So minus Q plus Q by 2, which can be written as minus 2Q plus Q by 2, which is equal to minus Q by 2. So this is your final answer for BM. Then comes your last part, which is OM. OM we have just solved, so we can straight away write D as OM. which is your OA plus AM, which is nothing but we can write it as P plus Q by 2 OM, and that's your final answer. Now, few of you would be thinking that for BM, why I didn't take this as only straight away that Q by 2 minus Q by 2, because the sign, the direction is reverse. The only purpose of telling this is to enhance your concept. There was nothing else strategy I used, because I just wanted you to take a longer method to try to understand more things. Because in case of AM, I directly used Q by 2. So I thought in BM we can use a concept which can help you further. So it helped us in part T straight away. Okay, so at the first stage, in vectors especially, longer we go, more we learn. Shorter we go, we will be getting confused. So that is my strategy to explain you out. Hope you would have enjoyed these concepts, and these are IGCSE level vector geometry questions. So you guys can straight away go ahead. Thank you very much. Keep following our channel.